Welcome to this FX Empire review of IronFX, a broker that was founded in 2010 and is a trade name of Notesco Limited, which is a company registered in Bermuda. Accounts can be opened with non-regulated entity located in Bermuda or with the broker's regulated entity from the UK Financial Conduct Authority, depending on the user's geographical location. This review is based on IronFX, which is the non-regulated arm based in Bermuda. As we can see on the broker's homepage, the broker offers more than 200 tradable instruments with a maximum leverage of 1 to 1000 on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform with 24 hours, 5 days a week, multilingual support and a variety of different trading accounts where spreads can start from just 0 pips. Users can access futures, indices, metals, commodities, forex and shares to trade on, as well as different types of trading accounts, and the MetaTrader 4 trading platform for Windows as well as web browser. The broker also offers different bonuses and promotions, as we will go through further in this review. And they also offer market insights as well. As we can see at the bottom here, IronFX is the trade name of Notesco Limited, which is a company registered in Bermuda. If we have a look, we can actually see the different markets available to trade with: forex, metals, indices, commodities, futures and shares, as well as different platforms: MT4, WebTrader. They also offer VPS hosting and multi-management accounts. Under the broker's trading account types page, we can actually scroll down and see the variety of different accounts that are offered. And as we can see here, they've got live floating, live fixed accounts, and then they've got STP ECN style trading accounts. So here on the live floating or live fixed spread accounts, we can actually see you have a micro account, premium, VIP, and zero fixed account. The micro account offers spreads from starting at 1.8 pips, and the zero fix spreads start from 0 pips. You can also see the varying minimum deposits: $100 US for the micro account, up to $10,000 for a VIP account, or $500 for a zero fixed account. You can also see the different leverage amounts available for each different type of trading account, as well as the different base currencies that you can open an account in. So quite useful information for a lot of traders. One thing to bear in mind here is that the zero fixed account, because spreads start from 0 pips, there is a commission payable per trade, whereas the other accounts have no commission per trade. If we look at the STP ECN style accounts, you can actually see they have accounts starting from 1.7 pips, the no commission account. They also have an account called Zero Spread, which is a commission based account with spreads starting from 0 pips, and they also have an absolute 0.1 as well. So there's a large variety of different accounts available to trade with IronFX, suitable for both beginner and advanced traders. Under the trading tab, they also offer a spread comparison table as well, which is very useful to find the right account type. And as we scroll down, we can actually see here on the live floating spread type accounts, you can see the spreads here for Australian dollar against US dollar: 1.4 pips for the micro account, 1 pip for the premium account, and 0.8 pips for the VIP account. And then you can actually scroll through and have a look at the STP as well. And you can see here with a no commission account, Aussie against the US dollar, 2.1 pips, zero spread is 0.5, absolute 0.5 as well. So you can actually scroll through and actually find the right type of account for you in terms of the spreads that are most suitable. You can also see the wide variety of asset classes available. You can actually see lots of exotic currencies available here as well, a large variety of Australian dollar crosses against the Danish kroner, the Hungarian forint as well, and Singapore dollar. Okay, as we scroll down here as well, so a large variety of different exotic markets available to trade with, and different minor and cross rates. You can actually see here Swedish krona against the Japanese yen, Singapore dollar against the Japanese yen, Turkish lira against the Japanese yen, and more emerging market currencies as well, such as the Brazilian real, as well as the Russian ruble, and many more currency markets. IronFX offers the ability to trade on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and as you can see here, they offer it on Windows, Mac OS, mobile trading apps for Android and iOS, and WebTrader. And we'll be going through the WebTrader platform a little bit later on in this review. As this entity of IronFX doesn't fall under ESMA regulations, they also offer a variety of promotions under the promotions tab. And as you can see here, they've got live trading competitions, they've got deposit booster bonuses as well, a 100% unlimited sharing bonus, 40% power bonus up to $4,000, a 20% iron bonus up to $2,000. And as you scroll down as well, you can see their past trading competitions and live trading competitions, and you can read about different winners and so on. So really useful for people looking for bonus or promotional offers. They also offer market insights as well, and as we scroll down we can see here different daily commentaries regarding different markets. And if we click on the first one, we can actually see the daily commentary is quite detailed as well, with some charts here as well with different support and resistance lines to put on. So that's the Market Insights tab and the research available via IronFX. The broker also has a Contact Us page, and as you can see here, you can contact the broker via email 24 hours a day. There's a support line here, 24 hours, 5 days a week, and there's also other ways to connect via a frequently asked questions or a live chat function. Now let's have a look at the MetaTrader 4 trading platform provided by IronFX. So here we have the MetaTrader 4 trading platform provided by IronFX. As we can see on the left hand side, it provides a large list of different asset classes available to trade on. If we right click on this and click on symbols, this actually opens up with a window with all the different symbols available to trade on: major, minor, exotic, FX, different commodities, US shares, UK shares, and lots of cryptos as well. So those are all the different asset classes that are available to trade on. You can see here with euro dollar spread there, pretty tight, 1.2 pips to 2 pips. Okay, you can see the pound dollar as well on the right hand side, about a pip there as well. So pretty tight spreads for this type of account. You can change different time frames here at the top as well by selecting any one of these time frames from 1 minute charts all the way up to monthly charts. You can also add on different indicators by clicking insert indicators, and you can see here trend, Bollinger Bands, moving averages, and others. The broker also allows for one-click trading as well, so we can just simply click on this. Okay, a disclaimer will come up, and once you've read and accepted those conditions and pressed OK, you can actually just do one-click trading. So we've just bought their euro dollar. You can see the trade there is in the trade terminal at the bottom, and we can add stop losses and targets to this simply by trading from the chart. So we can left-click on our order and hold it down and then drag it to where our stop loss wants to be. And now you can see the stop loss field at the bottom has been pre-populated. We can add a take profit level in as well by left clicking and holding down on our entry level and then dragging up a take profit. And now that take profit has been populated. So really simple to trade from the actual chart. And we can also right click on this order and we can modify it from here as well. We can put on a trading stop loss, or we can simply close order. So very simple to use. Now let's have a look at the MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app provided by IronFX. So here we have the IronFX MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app for Android, also available on iOS. We can see here on the home screen we've got access to quotes, charts, trading activity. So if we look at quotes, we can see here euro dollar spread there pretty tight, 1.2 pips, pound dollar spread of 1.2 pips as well. And you can see the different asset classes available. You can also click the pencil icon here, click the plus button, and you can see the wide variety of different asset classes available: major, minor, exotic, FX, US shares, UK shares, different futures as well, and different commodities available to trade on. If we click on euro dollar, for example, we've got options to open a new order, open a chart. We can open a chart here, and you can actually see we have a chart of euro dollar. We can change the time frame from 1 minute charts all the way up to monthly charts. We can change the symbol from here as well, okay, and we can also add on different indicators by clicking the F icon and selecting any one of these indicators such as Bollinger Bands, envelopes, moving averages, and so on. If we go back, we can actually trade from this chart as well by clicking the plus icon at the top, and you have different types of execution: instant execution, limit orders, and stop loss orders. And if we click on instant execution here, what we can do is actually buy this or sell this, and we can actually put in a take profit and stop loss in before we even take the trade. So we can drag up the take profit there, okay, and then we can drag down the stop loss, and then we'll be looking to click the buy button when it allows us to do so. So you can see here now we can click the buy button, and now that order has been opened, and that's a live trade running there on euro dollar. If we click on this, we can also see that the stop loss and take profit has been attached to that. To close this, we just need to hold down on this, and we've got different options, and we can select close order, and we can then just confirm that by clicking it again. So really simple to use MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app provided by IronFX. That wraps up this FX Empire review of IronFX. We hope you found it to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.